All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this beautiful, guys, 2017 Chevy Tahoe. It is the LT model, this beautiful black with black leather interior, third row seatings, roof racks, alloy wheels, running boards, navigation system, heated seats, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty decent. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I do not see any curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. And your tire thread is over 7/32. Here's the shot of your roof and what that looks like. I do not see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You also got memory seating, which is pretty darn cool. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with two keys and two key fobs and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on this truck for you guys. That's your 4x4 action right there. Your lights, your parking sensors and stuff like that. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff here. Let's get the AC going. Boom, 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 boom. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system. Pow. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. All right. You got heated seats. Boom. All right. You got the steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag. And your mileage of 28,393. Looks good. Looks good. Got your little buttons. This is a button for your back. Looks nice. Looks nice. Keeping it moving here. All right. Your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Rear AC vents. Rear AC controls. And your vents are obviously on the top. Third row seats. Boom. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your rear sensors, you got your tow hook. Super nice. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. And check out pictures for more details. Here we got a privacy curtain. And I believe tow hook crap. So you can hook it up. Got a little power door here. Of course, if you guys remember, I did turn it on from over there. Or lift it up from over there. Let's see. These are not scratches. Sweet. Deck lid looks good. That looks nice. How? Yeah, quarter here. Looks very nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Looks good. I don't see any curbing. Tire thread over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. This quarter looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, and it is a powered seat as well. Looks good. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice, no curbing. Tire thread over 7/32. I think it has a little scratchy there. Heavy scratch there. Less than an inch. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, a 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT model with the 28,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy betting.